Hey, it's James Phillips. Give me a call, 931-217-7648. One of the things that's happened throughout the time they're in the military, we talked a little bit about in our last video about randomization. But what we're going to talk now about the jury is how you pick them after they're seated up in for the court martial itself. So one of the things that you get as an attorney, both the defense and the prosecution gets this, is what's called a panel questionnaire. And so every member that is a potential juror in your case goes through and fills out a questionnaire, talks about their schooling, talks about the things they've done in the military, talks about, how many kids they've got, whether they've been divorced. A whole series of different things are going to be in there. They're going to tell you about that jury member. And one of the first things that we do is we go through those panel questionnaires and we look at the things that we think are important to talk to them about. The next thing after that is on your first day of trial, when you're beginning after the first Article 39A session, after we've begun, the first thing that we get to look at is we put the panel members up. So what we've done before this is we've given the judge the questions we want to ask. The judge basically goes through and tells us what we're allowed to ask, what we're not allowed to ask, and then we go up there with the panel in front of us and we begin asking questions of the panel as a group. And when everybody agrees, we basically all panel members affirm. If they don't agree, we call out which one of the panel members answered the question in a different way. And what happens is we're able to keep track of the different things that they're talking about or the experiences. So you might ask a question in a domestic violence case. Hey, who here has had somebody in their family that's been a victim of domestic violence? Okay, Sergeant Major Joe, thank you for your answer. And then is that something that you believe has affected you in a way that you can be fair and impartial in this particular court case? So he'll answer that. If you need more information than that, what you do is after all the panel members go out, you bring them back in and you go piece by piece by piece, asking them more questions and asking them things that are basically going to let us know who they are, and maybe there's somebody that has a reason why we don't want to pick them. So I'm going to talk more about the jury selection process after this, but that's what's called Voir, and it's an information gathering device that we use. Give me a call, 931-217-7648, jphillipslaw22@gmail.com, or click the link down below. You can basically schedule an appointment and we'd be happy to talk to you.